Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your recovery code on Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first thing will be to go to your account management panel or page, and to do so we will need just to go to the corner of the page and click on the profile picture or the store picture and then go to manage accounts. So from here, we will find all these general informations. We need to go to security. And by going to security, we will need to see all this. And basically, you can have a passkey, even if it's not really a recovery code, but you can start using a passkey to be able to connect to your account, either by using a PIN or fingerprints or some other IDs, or you can start adding these other methods to add a layer of security, etc. But what matters is our recovery code. To get your recovery code, you will need to set up your two-step authentication. So I'm just going to click on turn on the two-step authentication, and I already have my authenticator app. You can have anything from here. I'm using authenticator app, and I'm just going to add my code. After scanning the QR code, I'm just going to have this one, and basically I'm going to use the code, which will be changing every time, and I'm going to click on turn on, and now I'm having new recovery codes. So all you need to do is click on download codes or the copy codes, or you can print them, but make sure no one can see them. So basically, those are one usage code that you can recover your account with them. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.